Hey guys, Lamonster here, Lamonster Garage, and we are going to show you the install of our new Bright Ryder light. This is something we've had for quite some time, but we just now put it in the store. We've been running it on my wife's bike for quite some time. We just had a big run made of these. These are specially made for us. But these are dual LED lights, really a good quality light, and they've held up good. I mean, we've been to the top of the mountains and back down into the deserts and everything else, and no failures, so we feel real confident about this product. We do have lifetime warranty on this also. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install it. It's super easy install. One of the beauties of this thing is you can be seen during the day and the night. So this is our Bright Ryder trunk light. It's white LED only. It is not RGB. It's not multifunction. Doesn't change colors. Just in case you want, don't ask. I just told you. So anyway, here we go. First, unlock your trunk, obviously, and you're going to want to pull this cover off. These just pop off real easy, and you're going to have 4 pins here. Now, just a little secret: we never put the pins back, and the reason is, if you need to get to your battery, if you need to get any wire and everything, the trunk is actually completely sealed. It doesn't matter if you leave the pins out, but that's up to you. That's a guy that works on spiders all the time trick. So you just pull this trunk out like so, and that will expose your battery. Now basically this light is going to run through the front here, and it's 3M sticky tape, and we're going to go ahead and do the install. So the factory's got a nice little hole here for us to feed our wire into, so we'll go ahead and feed that where it goes. And you just want to put it to where there's no strain on the wire. It's nice and relaxed. And start peeling it. And let's see. So basically you're going to want to line up the bottom. So get this where you want to start it. Push it towards the bottom. And just make sure the wires are not bound up here in any way. I'm going to go ahead and lay on the ground because it's just easier for me to see that way. Okay, and then you're going to want to clean this with alcohol too. Forgot to mention that part. But we already did that. That's why I forgot to mention it. And you can manipulate it a little bit as you go. Oh. Just like so. And it will stick up just a little bit on the one edge, but that's not an issue. Go ahead and make sure it's all nice and tight there. All right, so that part of the install is done. So now we got to get power to this. And there's no way to get from inside this nice little trough over to here without drilling a hole. So we're going to drill a hole here. And you can go through here, but I don't like it. You got a radiator hose right there. It just seems like this is a lot safer way to do it. Okay. So now you're going to fish your wire through here. And we leave this long just in case you decide you want to pull power somewhere else, you know, maybe you already got something already hooked up there. The other thing that we like to do, and let me step over here, I'll show you, is this is just regular Gorilla Tape, duct tape. It's black, which is nice. And we'll just take some strips, and we like to kind of put it all the way so there's no, that way the hinges don't get in the way. Nothing will bother this wire while you're doing the install. Like so. I'm doing this in a hurry, so not as clean as I would normally do it, but you get the gist. So basically just tape that back here. So now this is right over here is your customer accessory circuit. This is already fused. You're going to have a black wire and a red wire. The black is ground, of course, and well, it's not really red, it's kind of purple with a stripe on it. So one side's purple, one side's black. So you're going to want to take this here. Let me go get my cutters. And we're going to cut it to length. So I always like to give myself a little extra so I can tuck it in. I'll cut it to length. Peel it back a little bit. And on this, you'll notice, it's probably hard to tell on the video, but the wire that has a gray stripe on it, split stripe, that's your positive. Am I sure? Yes, I'm positive. You want to go ahead and strip the ends of it, like so. Tighten them up a little bit. Then you're going to put these nice little lever locks that you already installed on the factory, and so there's the positive, so that's going to go over here, like so. And we provide the lever locks, and you can add another accessory there or even double up if the wire is thin enough. Ground's going to go there. Check to make sure I got it right. I got it right. And we'll go ahead and test it, fire it off to see if they light up. Very stealth when they're not lit. And this circuit only works when the bike's running. So if you turn it on and say, hey, it's not lit up, well, you got to start the bike. There you are. Very bright, great during the day, great during the night. Super easy install, as you can see. Probably one of the easiest lights to install on your F3. So look us up at lamonstergarage.com. This is for the F3. We're going to have stuff coming out for the RT also. We've also got a rear dual light that we're going to be offering pretty quick here. Matter of fact, we'll give you a sneak peek. Why don't you go to the back, Jacob, and we'll show you what we got going here. This is our dual light, and basically we follow the lines of the bike. All your connection is done up here. So we have a running and a brake. So the brake will flash nice like that. And when it's running, so that's another product we'll have in the store real quick, but need to be seen. These are safety lights. I mean, this is something that you want to be seen on the road, and we're really happy with the results and the longevity of what we're doing here. So check us out, lamonstergarage.com. Thanks, guys.